All right, everybody, so we are at the Luxor again, staying in a 2-bedroom, 1-tower premier suite. Here's the entryway. Nice sitting area. Oh, and look, they have the coffees are back now. Yay, that was away for COVID for a while. We have a refrigerator. Nice table. Is in her closets. There is a safe in the other one. Dual sinks. Nice big deep tub. Beautiful shower. All right, let's go check out the adjoining room that you are attached with, which works really well when you're traveling with a family. I'm traveling with my daughter and her boyfriend, so they are in the room with me. All right, let's go check out their room. All right, so here is the connecting room. She shut me out. She thinks she's gonna take my room. Now she has to be on the video. Nice big king bed. And if you had wanted to, they do a 3-bedroom, which then that would connect to this room. Entryway. Nice big bathroom. And it actually has, I think, the same tub in here as it does. Same shower head. They have some of the best products. All right. That is the 2-bedroom premier tower suite. Time to hit the casino. Let's go.